everyone, I'm Shruti Chatterjee. I completed my BSc Economics from Scottish Church College, Kolkata, and I am going to pursue my Masters from Ashoka University, Sonapat, Haryana. So the path to get into Ashoka University is not very easy without EduSure. So I want to thank the entire EduSure team. I want to specially mention the name of Ankit sir and Mahima ma'am, the faculty members of EduSure. The approaches of Mahima ma'am and Ankit sir is something different, but I think both are very good because Ankit sir focuses on problem solving because he took the subject of microeconomics, mathematics, statistics. So that is the thing. So he actually taught us that how we should treat a sum, how we should pursue with the problem solving method, because it's very easy. Ultimately, we have to solve the problem. And ma'am focuses on that topic that we have to concentrate about the theories, because without the theory, if you don't know the theory, you can't solve anything. And if you know the theory now, if you don't see the question anywhere before, you can face it in the examination hall as well. And it is known to us that most of the institutions have their interviews. Like I faced TERI, Symbiosis School of Economics, Azim Premji University, IIFT, Ashoka University's interview. So in these all interviews I cracked. But the thing is, like for interviews, the basic concept that we need is the theory, because we have to understand that what is our understanding. We have to make the panelist convinced that why we should pursue masters in economics, why we are passionate with our subject. So that should be very clear with you. It is nothing like that your friend is going to do the masters and you are also. So you should be very prominent about that also. Nextly, I want to thank the portal, the management of the portal, because it's very well managed, and the IT team, the entire IT team, Khushbu ma'am, Riddhi ma'am, and the admission team, the Nitish sir, they're really putting their labor. A lot of labor is actually required to maintain this, and the portal is very organized. A lot of mock tests are there, the theories, the concept videos, lot class recordings, everything is available, and you can avail it a lot number of times. So it's very good opportunity. And I really want to say something, that please concentrate about the quality, not the quantity. That your friend is studying for 10 hours, and it's not mandatory to study 10 hours because he is compatible with 10 hours to study a thing. If you are compatible to do that thing in 6 hours, then please go for it. Please don't go to the friend strategy, number one. And number two is like, set your dream institution first. That should be very important. Please don't go into your friend's dream institution. That can be different, and your dream institution can be different. So please focus first and then concentrate, and please obey whatever ma'am and sir said. Do the assignment, do the homeworks as well, and then you will definitely get into your dream institution like me. Thank you, goodbye, and best of luck.